Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Go. First, open the App Store on your iOS device. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Purchase to view all your previously downloaded applications. From there, search for Angry Birds Go in your purchase history. If you find it, you can re-download it directly to your device and begin racing with your favorite birds. This method is the most straightforward way to access the game. If the game isn't in your current purchase history, consider using an Apple ID that previously downloaded Angry Birds Go. You might also check older iOS devices you own, as the game could still be installed and playable there. Remember to ensure your device's operating system is compatible with the game's requirements for optimal performance. Sometimes, older versions of iOS are necessary for certain applications to function correctly. This approach offers alternative avenues for enjoying the racing fun. Once you have the game, it's time to hit the track. Select your preferred bird character and a cart before each race. As you compete, collect coins scattered across the course to purchase upgrades for your vehicle, enhancing its speed and handling. Also, grab power-ups to gain temporary advantages over your opponents. Mastering the art of drifting around corners is crucial. It helps you maintain momentum and pass other racers. There are many tracks to explore. To truly excel, learn to use each bird's unique special ability at the right moment. These abilities can turn the tide of a race, offering boosts or hindering opponents. Explore the different race modes available, such as versus races, time trials, and fruit splat, each presenting unique challenges. Experiment with various cart and character combinations to find the setup that best suits your racing style and the specific track. This strategic approach will lead to many victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.